Today we're going to be talking about poppadoms. They are so popular. Everyone sort of normally comes into an Indian restaurant and has a poppadom, or they order it with their takeaway. So I've done a couple of videos already on how to make poppadoms, and they've proved to be really popular. So I'm going to show you on this video how to sort of scale up. You think we're doing thousands at a time, so you think it's going to take a very long time. So we're doing 2, 3, 4 at a time, and how to do that. It's not easy. There is quite a bit of technique to it. So I'm really looking forward to showing you guys. Please drop me a like if you like my videos, and ask me any questions. Drop me a comment. I've been helping a lot of people at the moment. Lots of you have come to me for advice. So I'm really looking forward to it. Let's get cooking poppadoms. Okay, so we're going to start off with 1 poppadoms. That's the easiest amount to do first. So it looks a lot easier than it is, but just fry it in the oil, put it down, get it flat, and then we're still going to do 1. You've got to turn it around, spread it out, drain off the oil, and then we're using a lid of a saucepan just to flatten it. You need something to keep flattening it. That's it. And then we're doing 2 now. So 2 poppadoms. It gets a little bit more tricky. Mainly 2 you can control. You can do it. And then 3 gets even more difficult. It's all about controlling the poppadoms, trying to make it bigger evenly. So there's 3 there now. Mainly in restaurants they do 2 at a time. If we need to do a lot more, we'll do 3. But the more you do, the more trickier it gets. So we're still on 3. Do you see you have to spread it, try and control all the poppadoms? Right, so we have 4. This gets a lot trickier to control now. You see we're flipping it more, trying to spread it more, putting the other one on top of the other. Once you've got the size, you just drain out the oil, but you can't leave it too long that it will burn. So you've got to be, the oil temperature's got to be correct. So we're just doing 4. So we've spreaded them so we could see all 4 come to shape, because if you've got them all together, the middle ones might not be cooked as much as the top and bottom. And we're just draining the oil out. 5 poppadoms now. So can you see, we can just see like we've layered 2, and then 1. So we're having a look at all of them. Like I said, 2 you could do on flat of each other. As you can imagine, we go through quite a lot of poppadoms. So, I mean, this is 6 now. We wouldn't do 5, 6 really, but this is just to show you guys how we can control 5, 6. It gets trickier. Can you see the poppadoms are they're a little bit more not as even. But I hope you enjoyed that video.